got the Kiev 60 and we're going to load it up with HP5 400 because today is kind of overcast up here in the mountains. If you like to learn and be inspired, join me on a quest of creativity, explore film, alternative processes and digital. Please subscribe and hit that notification button to get the latest videos every week. So let's get this beast open. HP5. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that looks like it's okay. Let's just put this guy in here. Okay, can we push that across? That resets this. Now it's H. The H is there. Okay? So, me and Gloria are going to shoot with the Kiev. Are we? Cool. Okay.
Well, that's not my fault.
I know it's not my fault. Shall we shoot the mountains? Let's have a look over there, Jesse. Point the camera over there. See what we have for beautiful back. I'm going to need this. A light meter. And we need to change the light meter to have 400 ASA because that's it. Okay. That's our time. Let's take a reading. So now we have. Let's take 5.6. So let's put 5.6 in here in the front here. Our shutter speed is 500. So our shutter speed is at actually 500. So we now are ready to, got exactly the same exposure here and here with aperture. So if you want the background really blurry, right, you want to put it at 2.8. But then it's like if I take a picture of you and I want your face to be sharp, I put it behind your ears. I don't want to be sharp. Then I put it at 2.8 if you're doing portrait. But if I want to do a landscape where everything from the grass out to the mountains, then I put it at f22. Okay. And then I have to change it here. And you'll see when I push this thing up, right? So let's go for f22. What happens is the time gets shorter, okay? So that means I need 1/30th of a second. Actually, time gets longer, excuse me. So that means you need more light coming into the lens. Okay. But we're going to shoot very simple 5.6. So it's really easy. 5.6 and 500. Okay? That'll do a nice portrait of Jesse there. We're going to do a shot of Jesse. And all you gotta do is just focus this guy. Okay. Very tricky.
Okay, bye.
He's wet. Okay, that's a good shot. And this is like
Jump.
don't move too much.
Oh, sorry.
You move too much. Then, oh yeah. Ooh, that was it. Did you hear that?
It?
Okay. Well, I hope I got a shot of you. I'm going to take a second one just in case. Have you another pack of those?
No. Why? Why?
I'll hold on to that. That's pretty cool. But just to get this, this looks good. That's in camera, you know? But that's going to work. It's actually kind of easier with glasses because then the glasses will be in focus in your eyes. So, what do you think about it?
When this is gonna be over.
When it's gonna be over?
Yeah.
Is it so hard?
Because I look like Jake?
I don't think so. Ooh. Okay, do you want to try and take a picture of me?
Yes.
This is really not too easy because you gotta get as close as I was, right? And in the middle, right? There's a circle,
Yeah,
right?
I saw that. Yeah.
And there's a line going through it, and those two pieces have to match up, that they're in focus.
Okay.
So try it. So as close as. So you want to probably move the camera up to eye level. Or you only see my head, I think.
Yeah, I can almost see your head and your shoulders.
Yeah, and use this to focus. Here, look. That's the focus. Okay, you use that with your hands to focus. Okay. All right. Okay. I see all my wrinkles.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Perfect. Okay.
Do you want to do Jesse's picture?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. I'll film and do Jesse's picture. Okay, Jesse, you ready? Okay.
Ah, that's good. Okay, down.
Yeah, and keep still. It's very important for Gloria that.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Kittens. Oh yeah, this will work on YouTube. Everyone loves kittens. How many kittens we got?
In here, 4. On the balcony, 6. And Paula's is pregnant again. But we already gave 3 to others. Gave 3 away.
And in here, oh great, another one, another Haribo. These are bad for me, aren't they?
No. Strawberry.
Strawberry? Yeah. Oh yeah. It's one of my 5 a day. What? You want one of those? Okay. It's not good. Will we go to the forest? So after the photo shoot in the mountains, it's back to the city in Graz, Austria, to take a shot from the stat park of this famous tree that's lopsided, and then a bit of street photography. The Kiev 60 is a very flexible camera. Even though it's a bit of a junker, it's a fun camera to use, and it's a great camera to get started in medium format photography. Do beware, these cameras are quite old and they're prone to a lot of failures. So when you do buy one, check it out and check that the shutter speeds work at the slow end and at the fast end. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. I hope to have another video very soon. I know I've been a little bit slow in putting videos up. I've been super busy, but I will do another video very soon. So hope to see you on the next one. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. Goodbye.